So boys and girls, let's jump over to germination. Just like how we grow, yes, plants do grow and they grow from seeds. So here we have a kidney bean that has been set for germination. And yes, there are different steps in the germination process. So we have, for the kidney bean, we have step 1, where we put the kidney bean in some water, or we put the kidney bean in the soil and allow it to be moistured, and we give it the proper conditions. Can you tell me the proper conditions for germination? Yes. Yes. Are you sure? Okay, let's see if you got that correct. So, the proper conditions needed for germination are temperature, sunlight, and water. So, in order for the seed to grow, oh, and I forgot one. Do you know what teacher forgot? Yes, we have to have somewhere for the seed to grow. So we have to have some soil that are rich in nutrients. Yes. So let's go again. We have nutrient-rich soil, we have sunlight, we have water, and the correct temperature. Yes. So, teacher, you have a question? Yes. Okay. So the question that was asked is, why does some seeds not grow? Different things cause different seeds not to grow. Like if the seed is not developed properly, or something that we call genetically modified seeds. Yes, those big words, genetically modified seeds. But we're not going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about germination. So the seeds now, so we have stage 2 in the germination process. So if you see right here, the embryo, so the embryo is found inside the seed. So the seed has a seed coat, it has the cotyledons, and it has an embryo. So the embryo is the baby part of the seed that will grow into the new plant. So the embryo consists of the root, and it has some little tiny leaves on the inside. So let's jump over to this picture so you can see what I'm talking about. So our seed here, so we're at the second stage, and another kidney bean here is at the first stage. So when the seed gets more moisture and more nutrients, it will burst more roots, as we see right here. When the roots get anchored in the soil, the roots will absorb nutrients and water, and it will feed it to the new plant. Then the plant will push up and makes its way to the top of the soil, where it needs sunlight. When it gets the sunlight that it needs, it will continue to grow, and the root will anchor it so that it will not move. Yes, it will anchor it. You know, we sing this song, the anchor holds. Yes, so the anchor will hold. When the seed grows up now, it will grow and it goes and it pops up new leaves. Yes, the leaves are found within these here, known as the cotyledons. So the seed coat will fall off and the leaves burst. When the leaves do burst, they start to trap sunlight. And when they begin to trap the sunlight, it is known as a process called photosynthesis. Yes, can you spell photosynthesis? Let me hear it. Okay, so yes, so when they trap the sunlight now, then the cotyledons will fall to the ground. When the cotyledons fall to the ground, they will go and break down into the soil and give the soil more nutrients. So now, let's go over to a video that teacher has for you to see on the entire process of seed germination.